What's up, everybody? We're back with another episode of Bullish Chips, where we use a proven and repeatable strategy to make money every day. This channel happens to focus on the Bullish Semiconductor ETF, which goes by the ticker symbol SOXL. But the charting method and the trading method that we use can be implemented with any company that's publicly traded in the US stock market. So make sure you hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks to all those who continue to tune in. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe and notification button as well. That way you are alerted to when we release new videos. We do release bonus content from time to time. Now our nightly and weekend videos, like tonight's video, focus on identifying triggers and targets for trades, ranging from scalps and intraday trades to, long-term swings and leaps as well. So if you want a deeper dive into exactly how we set up our charts, the trading levels, the broadening formations, things in that nature, make sure you check out that bonus content that we talked about. We've got a couple of videos that dive deeper into that. And if you want more information about the strat, which is the base of our trading method, you can find a free quick reference guide PDF in the description of this video. So I do encourage you to watch the full video, but aside from the triggers and targets, we give some pretty good insight into price action on all time frames. But we will preface this the rest of this video by saying, this is a holiday video. It's a holiday week, so it's going to be a little bit different. We're not going to get into the charts like we normally do. We're just going to basically leave you with the triggers and targets for the tomorrow and the rest of the week, the month, quarter, and year, and just kind of take it easy. We're not trading too heavy this week. There's a lot lighter volume, so you could see some more volatility this week. But if you are trading this week, good luck. And we just wanted to make sure you had a reference for what we look for in our proven trading and charting strategy. Excuse me. So without further ado, I'll leave you at this point with the triggers and targets, and leave a comment in the video if you have any questions, and we'll be glad to dive deeper into that. Probably wouldn't be tonight, but probably on Tuesday morning or during the day we'd dive deeper into that for you. So here are the triggers and targets for going ahead, and we look forward to trading with you tomorrow.